To activate Sport Mode on your Tesla Model 3, begin with the vehicle in Drive mode. Next, locate the drive stalk, which is the lever extending from the right side of the steering column. Now, pull the drive stalk downwards twice in quick succession to activate Sport Mode. Once activated, you'll see a red S icon appear on the instrument cluster, confirming Sport Mode is now active. Sport Mode will remain active until you manually change it or restart the vehicle. Sport Mode transforms your Model 3's driving experience. The throttle response becomes significantly more sensitive and linear, providing quicker acceleration. The steering wheel feels heavier and more direct, improving handling. These changes give you a more engaging and performance-oriented driving feel. One of the most noticeable changes in Sport Mode is the improved acceleration. The Model 3 prioritizes torque delivery for quicker launches and faster overtaking on the road. This acceleration boost is clearly shown in performance tests, with updates making launches even quicker. Sport Mode achieves this by prioritizing torque delivery, the rotational force that electric motors provide instantly without delay. Depending on your Model 3 variant, you'll experience different 0 to 60 miles per hour times. The performance model hits 3.1 seconds, long range around 4.2 seconds, and standard range at 5.8 seconds. Feel the instant power of electric acceleration as you launch from a stoplight or overtake on the highway. Sport Mode enhances steering by making it more direct and responsive. This means you'll need less wheel movement to achieve sharper turns, reducing lock-to-lock time from about 2.2 seconds to 1.8 seconds. The steering gains more weight and precision, giving you better control during cornering. Sport Mode also stiffens the suspension system, particularly in Tesla Model 3 variants equipped with upgraded air suspension. This reduces body roll during cornering, improving stability and handling. The air bellows and solenoid valves work together to maintain a lower ride height, providing a more connected and responsive driving feel. By combining more direct steering with a stiffened suspension, Sport Mode provides enhanced handling and control. You'll feel more connected to the road, with minimal body roll and sharper responsiveness, making cornering more precise and enjoyable. Beyond acceleration and steering, Sport Mode adjusts the car's overall driving profile. In all-wheel drive models, it alters power distribution, favoring the rear wheels for improved traction and handling. Regenerative braking in Sport Mode becomes more aggressive, providing sharper deceleration when you lift off the accelerator. This helps recover more energy while giving a sportier feel. Using Sport Mode can slightly reduce battery efficiency by 5 to 10% as the car draws more power for greater responsiveness. This trade-off provides enhanced performance, but may shorten your driving range per charge. Sport Mode preserves critical safety systems. It doesn't disable ABS or traction control, ensuring the vehicle maintains stability and prevents wheel lockup during braking. While safety systems remain active, Sport Mode deactivates certain energy-saving features to prioritize performance, which can slightly reduce overall efficiency. Exercise caution in slippery conditions like snow or wet roads. The increased power delivery can cause wheel spin, potentially leading to loss of traction. Electronic stability control helps mitigate this by automatically applying brakes and adjusting power. Always prioritize safety above performance. Adapt your driving style to current road conditions and consider switching out of Sport Mode when conditions are challenging. Tesla continues to enhance Sport Mode through software updates. Recent over-the-air updates refine the mode's performance, integrating it with advanced systems like regenerative braking and adaptive damping for better handling and stability. Recent updates allow for user-defined driving modes, enabling you to create hybrid sport comfort profiles. Combine the responsiveness of Sport Mode with the smoothness of Comfort Mode, saving these custom settings for specific routes or driving styles. There's a growing trend towards integration with AI-driven features, particularly full self-driving. Sport Mode can now auto-activate based on route analysis, detecting highways for performance or city streets for efficiency, adapting to your driving style in real time. Looking ahead, the future brings even more personalization through machine learning, creating adaptive features that learn from your driving history. Higher voltage battery systems will enhance acceleration, while fully autonomous modes may prioritize safety over manual thrills. Real-world tests show significant performance improvements with Sport mode. In a 2025 Edmunds review of a 2024 Model 3 performance, Sport mode shaved 0.2 seconds off the 0 to 60 miles per hour time, dropping from 3.3 to 3.1 seconds compared to standard mode. While battery range decreased from 300 to 270 miles during aggressive driving, lap times improved notably on test tracks. Tesla owners share positive experiences with Sport mode in real driving scenarios. A 2026 owner forum thread described using Sport mode on highways during a road trip, where it reduced acceleration lag in traffic and provided better stability through curves. Many users noted a 10% increase in driving enjoyment, making daily commutes more engaging, though some switched back to chill mode for efficiency. Automotive experts offer balanced views on Sport mode. Car and Driver praised it in 2025 for unlocking the Model 3's sports car potential, noting how it adds premium feel without complex mechanics. However, Jalopnik reviewers found it somewhat gimmicky for casual drivers, though they acknowledged its ability to boost driving enjoyment. Tesla engineers emphasize its design for joyful, efficient EV driving. Key statistics highlight Sport mode's impact. It delivers a 12% improvement in 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration, makes steering 20 to 25% more responsive, reduces range by 8 to 12% on average due to higher power draw, and sees 45% of owners using it weekly, according to a 2025 Tesla survey. Sport mode is widely praised for enhancing driving enjoyment while maintaining Tesla's efficiency focus. Whether for spirited drives or daily commutes, many find it transforms the Model 3 into a more engaging vehicle. Experiment with Sport mode to experience these benefits firsthand and see how it fits your driving style.